Hey y'all, it's Victoria from Super Geeked, and today I have a fun unboxing for you. Literally, it's a ThredUp fun box. I know, you probably saw on Instagram that I said I was doing no sourcing in the month of September because my death pile has gotten out of control. Well, actually I purchased this box the last day of August, so technically I'm still okay with my no sourcing challenge that I've challenged myself to for the month of September. But that also means that we have a box to unbox together. So I've never gotten a ThredUp fun box. If you don't know what ThredUp is, they are the largest online consignment store, and they have these mystery boxes you can purchase of items that were either sent to them to be sold that didn't fit the criteria that they have to list on their website, or they were items that were listed on their site but didn't sell, and the person that originally sent in the items did not request the items back, so they go in these mystery boxes. Well, this is called the Fun Box, and I purchased it because I had never got it, but also it's fairly inexpensive, and lately I've seen a lot of YouTube videos of people getting some pretty crazy, amazing things in these really inexpensive boxes. So a lot of people are getting at least one item that pays for the entire box. I thought it's worth a chance. Let's try it out. And of course, we all love a good unboxing, so I thought it would be fun for me to open with you guys on my YouTube channel. If you want to see what I got in my ThredUp fun box, stick around. Okay, y'all, are you ready to open this bad boy? Because I am. It's already cut open and I'm ready to pop it. So let's pop the top. Now, from the unboxings I've seen of these, they generally have some sort of theme, whether it's the same colorway or in the same color family, or they have like a certain fun theme to them. So let's see what my theme is. So right here on top is my invoice, and it's supposed to be a mixed rescue box lot of 10 items, and the price was $28. And let's just pop open this tissue paper up, and it looks definitely up my alley. There's a lot of pink in here, and I'm just going to show you. This is what the top looks like. I see some unicorn socks right on top, which is fun. So some of the stuff I might keep for myself. First are some unicorn socks, and it says Foozies. I'm not really sure about that brand, but those look fun. I definitely love pink and unicorns, so I might keep those. Okay, these are interesting. These are called key socks. They look like a knot sock, but then, so it's made to look like you're not wearing a sock, but then it goes up your calf. I imagine this would be good for people who don't like to wear knot socks, because they do sometimes ride down on your heel, and these still give you a knee-high feel, but still have a knot sock where you can kind of show off the top of your foot and your ankle. That's cool. I have no idea how much these sell for. Okay, next up is this bag that seems to have some fun things in it. So let's open it up and see what she has. First off is still in the packet. This is the brand, and it says 3 reusable beauty rounds. So these look like just like puffers, you know, for makeup. They're also called tampons in French. So there's that. But I don't really know anything about this brand or if these have any sort of resale value, but again, I can use them. Okay, also in the bag, you saw this. So this is some sort of bling that you can put on your forehead. That looks kind of fun. But it does look like it was opened. There's a bunch of like hairs and yucky stuff on there, so not sure how sanitary that is to be putting on your skin. And then here is some sort of headband that has rhinestones on it, but I see a hair 2 hairs stuck in it. I don't know if you're not going to be able to probably see those, but I might just donate this. And then there is a pop socket with a little bling. I could definitely use that. Probably won't sell it. I'll just use it. Okay, next up are 2 little bags of jewelry, and they are written on. This first one says Kate Spade, and I'll take one out to show you. They are some studded earrings, and they are just like the Kate Spade rhinestones with the glitter in them. Kate Spade makes a lot of earrings like this. This does not have the card, but I do have a little Kate Spade bag from some jewelry that I bought a long time ago. So I might pair that bag up with these earrings and resell these. If there is a resale value, I'll pop it up on the screen. And then this one says Kendra Scott. And this one is just like a bracelet. Let me see. So my dad's girlfriend also likes Kendra Scott, so I may just give that to her. Okay, see some more fun stuff. Okay, I wonder what this is. This looks crazy. Okay. This is a unicorn onesie with a star on the front. Definitely been worn because I see a couple of hairs on it. Here's the wings. I don't know about putting this in the washing machine, but I certainly could spot treat it and resell this. Halloween's coming up, so this would be a fun item to list for Halloween. Okay, and then I see some bras. This first bra is like just a little sports bra, and it is new with tags, but as you can see, it only retailed for $8.99. So I will probably donate that bra. There's another bra new with tags, and here it is. It's a little padded bra, and it's pink. And this one does have the tag still on it also. So I can list this to resell. Okay, these are fun. These are some fuzzy slippers by the brand Mix Number 6, which I think is just a boutique. I'm pretty sure. If not, you know, I'll correct myself on here, but these have never been worn. They still have the stickers on the bottom, and they are a size 10. I actually really like these, but I have some UGG slippers, or I might be tempted to keep these for myself if I can slide my size 11 foot into these. But with me having some UGG fuzzies, I just don't see me wearing these, so I will sell those. Okay, this is a bath bomb that's like a mermaid tail. So, and it is unopened, so I'll keep that for myself. Okay, 2 more things in here. I got a box of hot sticks. You guys remember hot sticks? Let's see what year this is. It's definitely vintage. 1998, made by Conair. My friend Alicia over at Murray Life picked up something similar at the thrift store, and I think she may have sold it for a really good price. So I'm going to check comps on this. Again, I will pop up the comps so you can see how much they're selling for, but I definitely will sell these because they're vintage and they're fun, and people like to buy things from their childhood. And then this would also be fun for Halloween if you're trying to do like a spiral look to your hair without getting a spiral perm. Ooh, okay. And the last item in my box is this rainbow rug. It's actually folded in half. It's still in the bag, and it was Pottery Barn Kids. It's a bath mat. It looks like it retailed for $30. Now, Pottery Barn and Pottery Barn Kids have a really great resale value. This is super cute, though. I'm going to have a hard time not wanting to keep this because I am definitely a pastel girl, if you can't tell. But it's super cute, and the fact that it's still in the packaging, it may actually bring more than the original retail price. So definitely, if you see Pottery Barn out, look it up. Look up comps because people may be willing to pay up above what the original retail price was to be able to get all the pieces to like a bedroom set or bathroom set. Just a little tip there. So let's see how many pieces I got. So the rug, that's 1. We got the hot sticks, the bath bomb, 4 and 5 for the bras, 6, 7, 8 for the jewelry. I guess they're considering this like 1 because it was all in the bag, so 9. And then we got 2 pairs of socks, so maybe 10 on the 2 socks. Overall, I definitely can make a profit on this box for the items that I am going to sell, and I got some fun items to keep for myself. So yeah, I'm super stoked about my fun box. Definitely not a downer. Every ThredUp box I've ever bought over the past couple years, whether I made a small profit or a large profit, there's always been profit. I have never lost money on a ThredUp box. Now that's just my personal experience. Other people may have experienced where they have lost money on purchasing one of these because it definitely is a risk. You could get a box that is a total dud. I got a shoe box that was pretty terrible, but I was able to make my money back on the amount I paid for that box. So I didn't lose money. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my fun box unboxing from ThredUp. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a good time unboxing it for you. This is just a quick little video today. I've got more videos that I got to start working on. So if you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on the way out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.